Tuned in to these greatest young H.O.P. Let's go get him again, Joe. Oh my God. Come on. Pop sped off, left mom with a bundle of joy. Your boy smack dab in the jungle, took tunnel vision, but he would soon become a mogul. But first he bought that crack back like a yo-yo. Don't play with my yo-yo, loco niggas in the hood. First niggas hating on me, it's all good. I'm buying things like my shit don't stink. Gucci links and Gucci gooses, watching too many movies, bulletproof this. Had some nerve, like pulling toothless when you're 16, coming through ruthless. Yeah, your boy ruthless, like Ice Cube was. Turn the whole city on, I'm the new plug. So if this is your first time hearing this, you're about to experience someone so cold. A journey seldom seen, the American dream. From the bottom to the top of the globe, they call me Hov. They gunning for me, wanna see me fall. You know my story, I've been through it all. Nights I felt like dying, but I ain't crying. What didn't kill me, made me strong as iron. Iron. Now I'm knee deep in the concrete, like the streets made of quicksand. It's beyond deep. I got a chemical romance, 2 left feet. Smell with hands with the devil, please. G.O.D. Save me from the black parade, release me. My life like Grand Theft Auto PSP. I'm in the Volvo, puffing on the la-la, ducking from the popo. Every time I drive by, say hi to the bad guy. All my mama friends is like, would you just look at him? Sorry dear mama, for your embarrassment. But give me a couple years to pray I never sin again. Got all these rival dealers trying to do me in, and all these little rappers don't know how prepared for them I am. I'm feeling like the world's against me, Lord. Call me crazy, but strangely I love the odds. They gunning for me, wanna see me fall. You know my story, I've been through it all. Nights I felt like dying, but I ain't crying. What didn't kill me, made me strong as iron. Now these baby ballers, toy rappers, calling out my name to bring the boy backwards. Shooting air balls at the basket, what you call money, I pay more in taxes. I got Crown King down in Africa, out in Nigeria. Do you have any idea? Sold out shows, I was so career. Joburg, Dublin, Tanzania. Lunch with Mandela, dinner with Cavalli. Still got time to get water out to everybody. Everybody, fall back. Y'all rapping, I'm reenacting. CNN, you see it's accurate. ESPN, see me in action. Monday night. Hit me. Right in the sternum this time, T, baby. Shit, you already know. You already know. You already know. Damn. It's that hustler music, young Weezy got that motherfucking hustler music. So ride to it, y'all. Vibe to it, y'all. Damn. Goddamn, mix the hit a nigga in his head with this one. I'ma paint the city red with this one. I'ma head with this one. See you fucking with the ball 2 toys way before Christmas. No assistance, just that persistence with that commitment. If I don't get it, somebody gon' die tonight. I know my vibe is tight and I deserve the throne. And if the kid ain't right, then let me die in this song. See, I be riding, just riding alone with my daddy on my mind. Like you gotta be kidding. How the hell you ain't here to see your prince do his thing? Sometimes I wanna drop it.
In the shot, it's kill or be killed, hustle or die. You got to take the pot, mama didn't lie. Look in my eyes and see the realness. The 9 makes you feel this pain that I'm going through, till I'm sitting on millions. My mind's on that paper, wishing upon a caper. I need a stack now, I repent for my sins later. When I'm living greater, the mind state of a West Side native. The sick in the head, take the feds every day. See me load the AK, watch them run when it's spray. Get the fuck up on my way if I pray that this pistol play. Cause when I'm heated, I'm gunning, till there's nothing in sight. So cancel Christmas, motherfucker, fuck you and your life. G's in my mob is too suave. We got 100 G cars and look like the world is ours. Don't disrespect or get your chest split like cigars. In this county of Brooks, trying to avoid jail bars. But it's so hard to make cheese, especially if you ain't got no PhD or connect on fat keys. See, mob stability is for niggas with nothing to lose. Going cycle from this drama, you go through paying dues. Like getting bumped in your side, trying to hustle for a ride. Or hitting the block to find out one of your guys just died. So don't come to the shop, that's just risking your health. Cause K-Town niggas a bomb on that ass like a stealth. And the county of Brooks,
of a newborn, came to join the main event and fight against the lukewarm. With nothing but they word and their history, take a can of paint and try to decorate their nickname. It's not what they anticipated, fuck it doesn't matter, put your fists up and instigate it. And they can't save the planet or the children or the pandas or themselves, god damn it. I'm just a man that loved rap, so much in fact I put every piece of myself inside these fucking tracks. What is that? You whisper something from the back? You think your personal attacks make up for what you lack? I'm just a cat searching for a clean lap to crash in the world, hurting, waiting for they turn to take a nap. Sorting through the bills, fan mail, and life threats, wondering why the postman ain't delivered my wife yet. They call me Sean, this is Anthony. No need to act hard, cause we got extended family. So I smile while I try to use my words wise. Say what I meant, just in case this is your first time. Woo, child of the wing